Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study about one of the parts of the inner ear. Inner ear is also called labyrinth. Please note it down. Inner ear has three different parts. They are semicircular canals, vestibules with utriculus and sacculus, two membranous structures, then cochlea with oval window and round window in front of it, and also auditory nerves originating from these three regions. That means from semicircular canals, vestibule and cochlea. This is the diagram that you have to draw of the inner ear or labyrinth. This diagram is very important. It used to come in the examination and it clearly shows three semicircular canals, then vestibular region with the utriculus and sacculus, then round window and oval window, as well as cochlea and the auditory nerves originating from all these three different parts. So this diagram you need to practice. It's a very important diagram to use to come in the examination. One of the parts of the inner ear or labyrinth is the semicircular canals. There are three semicircular canals found above the vestibular region of the inner ear. They are arranged at an angle of 90 degrees to each other. These semicircular canals have a fluid in it and it is called perilymph. Note down the name. Perilymph is the fluid that is found in the semicircular canal, and this fluid has the composition almost equal to that of the cerebrospinal fluid. One end of each semicircular canal has a swollen base and it is called ampulla. The ampulla has hair-like sensory cells in its inner lining and has calcium carbonate crystals called otolith suspended in the perilymph present in it. The impulses are generated when these crystals sensitize the cells of the ampulla, which will be picked up by the auditory nerves to the brain and helps in dynamic balance of the body. So, ampulla of each semicircular canal has some hair-like sensory cells in its inner lining and the perilymph fluid in it. In the perilymph, there are calcium carbonate crystals suspended, and these calcium carbonate crystals, when touch on these sensory cells present inside the ampulla, then nerve impulses are generated in the sensory cell. These nerve impulses are carried to the brain through the auditory nerves and helps in dynamic balance of the body. When we stop from a merry-go-round, we experience giddiness. That means when we have चक्कर लगाता है अपने आप घूमते हैं, then we experience, and when we stop from merry-go-round, we experience giddiness. This is because the suspended calcium carbonate crystals, otolith, in the perilymph does not stop when we stop from merry-go-round, as they are suspended in a fluid, because any fluid, the solid body will stop very soon, but the liquid body keep moving. So this, when we stop from merry-go-round, then this fluid perilymph present in the ampulla keep on rotating. It doesn't stop at the same time. Meanwhile, this suspended calcium carbonate present in the perilymph of the ampulla also keep rotating along with the perilymph, which sensitize these hairs like sensory cells located in the inner lining of the ampulla. Therefore, we cannot balance our body. That is why we feel giddiness, chakrana, when we stop from merry-go-round. The function of semicircular canals is dynamic balance. Definition of the dynamic balance is it is the balance of the body while it is in motion. So now let us conclude. These are the only things that you have to study about the semicircular canals. Number one, location of semicircular canal. Number two, its function. Then second, number three, the definition of the function of it. And next one, the fluid present in the semicircular canal. And the next one, why do we feel giddiness when we stop from a merry-go-round? These are the only things that you have to study about semicircular canals. You don't need to study about the structure of the ampulla, even though I have explained in it. But you will explain why do we feel giddiness when we stop from a merry-go-round. That explanation should be in brief, in short. Okay, that's all from this topic. Please revise this video once again and also read the topic from the book. Have a nice day. Thank you.